the most effective method to feel your cervix, step-by-step, educational. The cervix is the least piece of the uterus. It's a little way associating the vagina to the uterine cavity, around 1 to 1.5 inches in length. The Latin cervix uteri means the womb's neck. In the vagina, the cervix resembles a smooth medio, around an inch in distance across, with a gap in the middle, similar to puckered lips. Your cervix completes a considerable measure for you. It keeps undesirable microscopic organisms and infections out of your uterus. It opens and closes to give sperm access and menstrual blood out. It delivers its own particular grease and even develops its own attachment on the off chance that you end up pregnant, called a bodily fluid fitting. Like the vagina and clitoris, the cervix additionally contains nerve pathways associated with the sexual reaction. The way your cervix feels to the touch will change all through your menstrual cycle. Its situation in your belly may likewise change. These progressions occur in light of the hormonal changes that encourage the ovulatory procedure. Certain tendons in the pelvis may end up shorter around ovulation, for instance, and the consistency of the cervical liquid changes. Around ovulation, the cervix is delicate, like your ear flap, marginally open, and might be situated high up in your guts. Different circumstances, it's firmer, like the tip of your nose, firmly shut, and might be situated light down in your stomach area. Changes in cervical tallness may impact how you encounter certain sex positions or pelvic exam, at various circumstances of the cycle. In the event that you've never felt your own cervix, you may be interested to know where it is and how it feels at various purposes of the cycle.